Nasa ulo. I'm going to start this video with the lovely squirrel running around looking for food. This is in St. James's Park near Buckingham Palace in London. Look how lovely is the squirrel. Squirrel, hello S. Only nuts. Don't have nuts. Looking for nuts. This is the St. James's Park near the Buckingham Palace, where the tourists are feeding the birds. As you can see, there is like some parrots and different species of birds flying over. Supposed to be, we're not supposed to feed the birds, but tourists are here. As you can see, there's so many tourists here in London. Around here in Buckingham Palace Park, Buckingham Palace in London. So there's so many tourists feeding the birds. Supposed to be is not allowed, but you can't stop them from feeding. Amazing. Oops. Oh, here they are, waiting for food. They're waiting for food. Ah, wow. Wow. Okay. This is my best friend, Jean. who was feeding the birds when we were there in St. James's Park near Buckingham Palace. So many birds were attacking her, but she likes it. She loves that. And also this one is a lovely photo of her and with her sister Jessel with all those birds. And look at that, birds attack.
Ako give picture.
Wow, so many birds. They're attacking them.
Nasa yung ulo.
That's lovely, Giselle and Jean. Thank you.